Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. This is Ninth Island Connection, but you know that already because you're on our channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this thumb. Take a minute to look around and go ahead and subscribe. The algorithm brought you here because you're interested in Vegas. And that's all that we do. As you can tell, we're doing another room tour. I think we're up to about 90 different room tours that we've done in Vegas, up and down. MGM properties, Caesars, downtown, we've even done some. So take a look at that if you're interested in rooms in Vegas. So the thumb told you where we were. We're at the Vanderpump. And you know what? I can still smell the fresh paint. And I have to tell you, I loved the Cromwell. I loved that it was dark and had that just like that classic Vegas vibe. This is the complete opposite. As you can see already, it's super bright and it actually makes a room look a lot bigger, even though it's the same exact room as before. The space is not increased. So let's take a look around. We're right in the entry. So one of the things about the rooms at Cromwell, I mean the Vanderpump, is that when you walk in, you're in the room. There's no real entryway. So right when you walk in, you've got your living room set up. And this is actually kind of funky. It's fine though. I mean, it's a nice little couch. You got Vanderpump everywhere. Here, 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 and even down here. These are your nightstands. So you do have a drawer in there, but you've got Lisa watching you. I do like these lamps that they have here, and this is such a nice touch. Remember when, back in the day, you would have this in your room? I will tell you right now, this is going home with me. I mean, that's just... And then you've got some charging ports over here. 1, 2, you've got a USB port right there. And then, of course, you've got the bed. So from the door to the bed is probably 6 or 7 feet. So that's what I said. When you walk into the entry, there really is no entry. You're in the room. But look at how nice this thing is. I think these are bigger than the Cromwell beds. And then directly opposite the bed, you've got your massive TV stand, dresser, refrigerator, combo thing over here. So of course you've got 4 big drawers, boom, boom, plenty of room for all of your storage. This is not free. This is your bar, mini bar. But if you even take these things out to put your own stuff in there, you're gonna be charged. So just don't touch it unless that's your budget. If this is your budget, there you go. It's stocked up. You've even got a bottle of wine up here and a bottle of Vanderpump vodka. And no, it's not complimentary. So leave it again, unless that's your budget. You've got all these little treats and stuff over here. A Nespresso machine with Nespresso pods. And no, that's not free either. None of it is free. And then your safe is going to be down here. I really like these little green chairs over here, and the big purple ones. I really like the tall purple ones. Stay tuned because you're going to find them in the sports book. That'll be in another video though. but they did keep those chairs, put them somewhere else in the property. I love this big lamp right here. This one is kind of like, you got two lamps like right next to each other, a little bit overkill, but whatever. So another thing that you're going to notice if you stayed at Cromwell is there's now carpet. And I really liked that it was like the fake hardwood floors. They were really dark, and it really added to the mood of the rooms when it was Cromwell. This is, again, a completely different feel. So then, of course, on this side of the bed, you've got another nightstand. Right here, you've got some more charging ports right there, which I really like, because there's been rooms that we've stayed in where there's just a plug on one side of the bed, and then the other person has no plug for your devices. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I like that there's one on each side. And then, of course, you've got your vanity right here. This kind of reminds me of American Horror Story, the hotel one. Remember? These nice, like, classic chairs. That's really neat. And I love this little lamp. And then right next to that, you've got your closet. Now the closets did get smaller than they were. If you remember, Cromwell had massive armoires. These are shrunken down, and this is also a shared space. You're going to have your steamer, your robes, your hair dryer, and of course some slippers. Right? And then your view, and Cromwell, you're either going to have a strip view on that side, or you're going to have the back side of the building, which is really flamingo. Now this really surprised me about this room. And I'm not mad. None of this is negative. I'm just really surprised that they did so much, but didn't touch the bathroom. Everything is exactly the same as it was with Cromwell, except for two things. And I'll show you what the two things are. So here's the bathroom. You've got your separate toilet area right there. So that picture, that was there, so that stayed. They actually painted it and put the pictures back up. And they painted the walls, you can still smell it. Here's really the only change in the bathroom is these customized little soaps. Here's your lotion right there. And then when you get into the shower, which I really like that they didn't change the showers, because I love this steam shower. Let's go. I love this steam shower right here because you turn that guy on right there, full blast, just sit right here, you can put your feet up, obviously have a cocktail, and just relax. I love it. So this is the only change here. Vanderpump brand everywhere, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So you can actually just leave that stuff at home. Because what is it, 4 ounces for your carry-on or something? And then you've got to put it on your luggage and hope it doesn't blow up. You don't have to worry about it with this stuff. I've been making references to Cromwell as a comparison, so this is what the Vanderpump room used to look like when it was Cromwell. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. And I'm sitting in another spot. Remember when people used to make videos with like the phone in the closet, open the door, and it's like, oh, yeah, there's a camera there. This is just a little throwback to that right there. Anyway, we want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the Vanderpump hotel rooms? Did you stay in Cromwell? Do you love it? Do you hate it? We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You watched the entire video. Why are you torturing yourself? You love our channel. Go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.